going to be a walkthrough of how to install one of our child themes on your website. So we're going to start with this is a completely new website, so there's no content here, there are no pages, it's just the default WordPress installation. So we want to start by going to your dashboard. And from dashboard, we can see that in themes, we only have the default. So before we start, you want to make sure that you have the Kadence parent theme installed. So this is a free theme that you're going to find here by going to Add New Theme. And you're going to search for Kadence. It's going to look like this, and click Install. Okay, once you install it, there's no need to activate it just yet. So we just want to make sure it's installed. And there it is. So now you want to install a plugin, which is going to be your starter templates. So add new plugin. And we're going to look for Kadence Starter. And it's going to look like this. We want to install this. And this is okay to activate, so we're going to select Activate. Okay, so now we want to finally install our child theme. So we want to go back to Themes. So in Appearance, Themes. So here we want to add new, and this is where you're going to find where you downloaded your zip file, the zip file that you got once you purchased. Let's find that. Okay, so from here, you want to now install your child theme. So you want to find where you downloaded your zip file once you purchased and received your files. So you want to go to Appearance from the dashboard, Themes, and here you want to add a new theme. So now this is where you find your downloaded child theme. So we're going to choose File. Okay, so we select Install Now, and it's installing. Activate. Okay, so there it is. We have one more step. We're almost there. So starter templates. So here you'll find this, and if you don't see this, you can also find it here on this side. So you select here. This requires plugins, and if you don't have these installed, it's going to automatically install them for you. So let's add this. And this is going to take a minute, so I'm going to. Okay, so it's finished loading, and now we're going to see my site. And it looks exactly like it does in the demo. So what you want to go through is review each page just to make sure that everything loaded correctly. Here is what it should look like, but you do want to make sure you review everything. So each page should have everything in it. So let's just, okay, so we have no products in our shop, but here is the team. And this is how you're going to install your thing. So let me know if you run into any issues or have any questions, and I'll be happy to help.